Hey everyone, it's Vignesh here. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete review of Omni ROM Pie Alpha 3 on Honor 9 Lite. So let's get started. And this is my Honor 9 Lite running Omni ROM Pie Alpha 3 by OpenKirin Team. Here is the about device. And here you can see Omni version. And let's explore the ROM starting from the notification dryer. I will talk about the bugs in the middle of the video or at the end of the video, so please follow the video. Okay, this is the notification toggles and this can be editable. Here you can see the other notification toggles. Okay, that's all about the notification dryer. And coming to the launcher, I have installed a launcher. By default it will come with a quick step launcher. I don't like quick step launcher, so I moved to launcher. So only my launcher looks like this, and this is the reasons of this launcher. Okay, let's explore the settings. And these are default AOSP settings. These are the default AOSP Pi settings that comes with this ROM. Here is the digital well-being. And here you also have a navigation gestures. You can see swipe up on home button. This is a good feature in Android Pie. Okay, next let's go to sound. These are the sound settings. And battery. Coming to the battery, this ROM, I won't say this ROM has better battery backup than stock ROM, but it's a decent battery backup. So I just thumbs up to this ROM and thumbs up to OpenKirin Team. And here is the Wi-Fi settings and the hotspot. The hotspot is also fixed in this ROM, that is in the Alpha build 3. So no problem with the hotspot. Hotspot is fixed. And torchlight from the notification toggle is also fixed and it's also working fine. No problem in that. And here is the apps and notification settings. Here, this is the launcher I am using. Version 2 beta build. Sorry, alpha build I think. Okay, here's the security and face unlock is also available. Yes, face unlock is also available. Let's explore the Omni gears. And this is the style. It contains the Omni wallpapers, and here you can see the wallpapers are available local and online. Let's go to online and check for it. These are the available wallpapers online. Many wallpapers are there. Okay, let's go back. And here's the Omni themes. I like this option and I love this theme. And you can also compose theme like this. And you can't download any theme from online, there is no option for it, but you can customize by yourself. These are the available colors that comes in this ROM. Okay, here is the buttons, and if I turn off this navigation bar, now my device will reboot because the screen is recording, so it's just rebooting. I don't know what the issue is. So it's not a bug in this ROM. Because of screen recording it happens. And device features, this is the ambient display and I love this feature very much, but it sucks a battery, but no problem. I will manage with it. And here's the gesture options. I have disabled every fingerprint gestures, and you can enable it and everything will work fine. And coming to the bars, I have enabled the network traffic, but this bar will appear only in the notification toggles, the notification drawer. It won't show in the status bar, and I want the network traffic to be in the status bar because I love that. And lock screen, here you can see settings and gestures. This gesture is really a good gesture. If you enable this navigation gesture, then you must turn off the navigation bar. But if I turn off the navigation bar now, it will reboot as I said earlier. So here you can see the back, home and recent apps gestures, and it's working fine, and I love this gesture also. And battery LED settings, I haven't tried enabling these colors and everything, but explore yourself. And here's the weather service, system UI tuner. I thought there would be an option here for enabling a network traffic indicator here, but it's not available here. Here's the lock screen shortcut, navigation bar, customize the layout, quick settings. Okay, here is the CPU info. That's all about the Omni gears, and we have explored everything in the Omni gears. And let's go to the recents. This is the recent tabs of this Pie ROM. And here's the clear all button at the end of the recent apps. Okay, I'm using a Google Dialer and Google Messages, and safety net is also pausing in this ROM. I will show you in Magisk. And I have disabled the permission to telephone in Google Play Services app. That's why it's pausing. And these are the apps that comes with the ROM, and I have installed also. Changelogs comes with this ROM, and it's not showing anything because it's not an official build. And camera. Coming to the camera, this ROM has two cameras. One is from the OSP camera, and the other one is the EMA camera ported for Pi. And I have also installed a Google camera, and it's also working fine. I will try to leave the link in the description below. If you want, you can download and use. There are many Google cameras available. You can try and keep the camera that works for you. And here's the equalizer that comes with this ROM. Okay, now let's come to the bug section. Okay, when coming to the bug section, this ROM doesn't has a USSD support. If you dial a hash star as something like that, it will show just a white screen and it won't show any text inside that white screen. That's a bug in this ROM, and that needs to be fixed soon. I hope OpenKirin Team will fix it soon in the next release. So let's hope for the best. And the next bug is Miracast won't work in this ROM. I tried casting this phone to a smart TV, but it didn't connect to the TV using this cast option. So that's also a bug in this ROM. And some guys are saying that Miracast bug is in a Pi sources, so it can't be fixed like that. I don't know clearly about that. Sometimes WhatsApp is not running in the background, so that I won't get any notifications from persons who is messaging me. because WhatsApp is not running in the background, so it's not receiving new messages. And that's the third bug. I tried to contact the Your WhatsApp developer, but he says it's because of the ROM issue. OpenKirin team will take care of this bugs and will look into this. Okay, that's the only 3 bugs I noticed in this ROM, and you can also definitely try this. And no more major bugs in this ROM. I'll try to post a review video of EEX on Honor 9 Lite by next week, maybe. If I found any bug, I will update in the description below, so do read the description also. If you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, so it will motivate me to do more videos like this. I don't have a camera to record this video, so I'm using screen recorder, so sorry for that. If you want me to continue reviewing custom ROMs by screen recording, then please comment below. And if you don't want, just give a dislike button. That's it for the review, guys. I hope I covered everything. Thanks for watching. It's Vignesh. Take care.